welcome to the latest Plymouth Labour campaign video. We're here in the Sundial today, in the middle of the summer, beautiful weather, and we're celebrating the 65th anniversary of the amazing National Health Service.
Today because we love the NHS. We're here to collect signatures for our petition because we oppose the government's unfair attack on healthcare services in Plymouth and the NHS. We oppose it being broken up and handed out to private providers. We oppose the best bits going out and making a profit for millionaires, many of whom support the Tory party, many of whom are MPs who have interests in the private companies, and we want a fair and equal, free at point of access, free right the way through, NHS, owned by the state, belonging to the state for all. That's why we're here.